Gimme, 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 product launch. Kickstarter? There you are, welcome back. That's right, I said Kickstarter. I said the word Kickstarter. Oh boy, have we had a storied past with Kickstarter, but this is different. Hang on. Back in August, I received an email from a place called Mythic. Hi, I just stumbled upon your YouTube channel, was wondering if you also do reviews. I do. Do we do reviews, Sean?
Yep.
We do reviews. We are working on an upcoming KS project that will include 3D printable dice towers and dice boxes, and it would be amazing to have a review on YouTube. I'm conflicted at this point, but I go on. Currently, you can get one of our models, the Observatory Dice Tower, for free upon sign up, and it can be downloaded at our website. Okay, Kickstarter, 3D printers, I get it. I have a number of them that I'm waiting for them to get to backers before I even open the box. This is different. This is a 3D printable thing. This is a digital file. This is not a 3D printer. What joy it is to be able to 3D print dice towers. They are some of my favorite things to print. Hence the intro with these awesome dice. And these were sent to me during a Fan Mail Friday, and at the moment, I can't recall the name of the person that did, but they are incredible dice. Look at that, there's magnets. It's printed in my blue, beautiful dice, awesome. So we have dice. Now we need a dice tower. So what did I do? I got my Sidewinder X2 from Artillery, up and going, and I loaded it up with Polyalchemy Elixir filament. It's gorgeous, gorgeous filament. And I hit print, and it printed, and it started moving and doing things, and it took a while, and we ended up with this. Wow. Hot diggity dog, look at this. This is gorgeous. This is a dice tower, the Observatory from Mythic, a free model. You just have to sign up for the mailing list, which at the time of recording, I got 2 emails about. One of them was an update to this model. Oh, what's this? It comes apart. This is incredibly well designed. No supports needed anywhere. This is gonna be the telescope, the lens, the thing that lets you see into the stars. This is going to be the top. This is the thing that houses that. In fact, now that we're filming, I can attach it. That's good to go. This is the base. This is really cool. They've actually put Mythic in the geometry, but it's there for decoration. It has registration marks here and registration insets here. Kind of sits in there all nice and pretty. And then this also has registration marks here and here. So you just add it to the top. Obviously, we have to test this. This is amazing. Oh, I love it. I love it so much. Yeah, it's a Kickstarter, but this is a free model. And obviously, if you go to the website, I put it down in the description, you can get this model for free. They have some artwork on their website where I'm like, I can't wait to download some other things. I'm thinking about pledging for the Kickstarter when it's active, just because I love high quality models that are easy to print, that are fun to print, that are fun to enlarge. So if we were to break this down into its component parts, I think I've got a plan. So this one right here, what we'll do is we'll size it up 2x and we'll print this on the Artillery Sidewinder X2. This one over here, what we could do is size this up 2x and we could print this on the Anycubic Viper. This one right here, I think sized up 2x leaves me with one option, and that is my G-Create G-Max 2. We'll get it started on that. Finally, the actual stair steps, the things that allow the dice to tumble and poop out at the end through this door. Sized up 2x, it's a cylindrical shape. I think we use our CNC Artemis for this. Let's get printing.
Here we are at the Artillery Sidewinder X2, and hey, it's done. Look at that. Ugh, that turned out great. You can look at if you look at the geometry, it looks like there's pockets of just kind of, looks like it's deformed, but that's not deformed. That's actually part of the geometry. Here's the Viper. According to this, it's at 64%, and hey, that's looking pretty good. Boy, we consumed a lot of that build plate right there. That's fantastic. There's that mosaic filament that's feeding it. I think we got enough left in there. It wanted like 300 and some odd grams. I think there was 400 on the spool left. It's looking pretty good. This is awesome. Wow. That is 23 hours later, and it's looking pretty good. Of course, when you got a 1mm nozzle on it, it's just gonna go through that filament. That was a 1 kilogram spool that's almost empty, and I got this red spool standing by. Jeez, I might just swap it over while I'm here, but that's gonna finish. I mean, we're at 85%, so that's gonna finish. I really, really like that. That looks good. I mean, it's all gonna get painted, but wow, that's looking good.
The prints are done, but you know, if you think about it, filament that's been printed, it's dead, right? In a former life, at least with Broken Anvil Miniatures, I was a geomancer, but to bring dead filament back from the dead, I think we have to practice a little necromancy. Let's see if we can do it. We did it! We did it! We've got ourselves a 2x sized telescope. This is the lens that lets us see out into the stars. Okay, that worked. That worked. So next we have to try for the top, the thing that the lens attaches to. Here we go. This is getting tough. This is getting really hard. I didn't think raising things from the dead would be difficult, but we've done it together. You're a part of this. This is going to be the top. Oh, this looks cool. This looks cool, and it'll join this, obviously, but there's 2 more parts to get. These parts are big, and I might not be able to do this. Cheer me on, please. Please, start, clap, sing, do whatever you can. Sean, give me an oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! There it is! Oh, this is difficult, but look at the size of this. Of course this is going to be Gmax sized. Hot diggity. Hot diggity. Okay, this is cool. Last, and certainly not least, is the stairs. Now, 2x sized, it's ginormous, and so I'm gonna need your help. Let's do this together. Here we go. It's coming, it's coming! Here it is! Look at the size! This is insane! Oh my gosh, this is huge. I love it. I love this. This is the Mythic Roll Observatory Dice Tower, sized up 2x. Let's see if it works. It'd be a real shame if this didn't work. Like if I assembled this all and then it was like, nah. So this we'll put. Okay, that is forever attached. That is never coming off. There it is! Look at this. This, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. This is so wonderful. 4 dice into the dice tower. This one escaped. This is so cool. Let's take a look. So side by side, it's silly. It's absolutely silly. Look at this. Look at this. Look at it. I'm torn. I'm torn. It's true. I'm torn because I like the look of 3D printed things. I like seeing the colors of the filaments that make it. I mean, especially this. This is gorgeous. But this, I like it because I get to see how it's made. Part of what I do here is teach, instruct, and inspire. That's why when I did that Thanos sword, one side was left unfinished so you could see the various parts it took to put it together. Let me know in the comments, should I paint the small one? Should I paint the large one? Should I glue them together or keep them separate? What do you think should happen to these two awesome dice towers? Well, listen, stuff like this is a lot of fun. I enjoy printing things that are large, and I'm unabashedly in love with dice towers. And this model is free, and I'll put a link in the description so you can find out more. And honestly, yeah, it's a Kickstarter, but it's digital goods. Those are usually pretty easy to deliver. And if you like these sort of support-free, high detail, easy to print models, then click that link in the description. Or heck, just click it and go download this. If you made it this far, you're awesome. Don't forget to hug each other more. May all your rolls be a natural 20. And as always, high five.